Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the April 2025 market update. I'm coming to you this month from Red Rock Country Club. Just finished hitting some balls here on the range, getting loosened up for a Sotheby's networking event we have this weekend called the Coffee Cup. We're going to be meeting up with about 120 of our Sotheby's colleagues from all over the country. When I tell you we have connections everywhere, this is how we do it. We go meet people within the Sotheby's network, other professional realtors, and make connections and friendships and build relationships. And so if you got somebody that needs help in Indianapolis or Seattle or Dallas, we know people. We've got friends that we meet in these events. So if you ever need anybody for anything, please reach out to us. This month, if you look at the numbers in the market, the market, the best way I can describe it is stable. The market is stable, which is kind of amazing right now, considering everything else that's going on in the world with the tariffs and all the volatility in the markets and everything. But if you look at the numbers, month over month, all year this year, our current active inventory has been going up. It's been inching up 5%, 7% a month, while the new pending sales is right around, even or maybe down 1 or 2%. So what does that mean? That means that we have a stable market. We have a little more inventory each month than we had the month before. So who benefits in that kind of market? Well, it's someone who is looking to both buy and sell, or sell and buy. The reason why is to sell. That if you have your home's in good shape, you stage it properly and price it right, it's going to sell. And and when that happens, then it's time to buy. There's not a mad rush to make the purchase. You have choices. We're not dealing with multiple offers. You can negotiate. You got some leverage. We've got one buyer we're working with right now that we negotiated all new windows on the house for them with the seller. You paid by the seller. You couldn't do that a year or two ago. A couple other deals where the seller's paying to buy down the buyer's interest rates. So you have some choices out there right now. So it's a good time to be in that position where you're going to do, both. If you have any questions about it, reach out. Happy to talk to you and help you get started, okay? In the email, we just got basically a bunch of information on inventory, not just in Las Vegas, but Nevada and the country. You'll see Nevada's up year over year from March to March, up over 50% in inventory. Still down a little bit though from pre-COVID in 2019. But you can also see I put a chart in there where you can see where overall the U.S. inventory is compared to like the last 6 or 7 years. And you can see. I mean, it's right there in plain view. You can see that the inventory is getting better, and we are getting into a more normal market. Don't expect interest rates to come crashing because of all this stuff. There's a good chance what's coming out of all the tariffs and all this volatility in the markets is, we probably will see a little bit better interest rates, but it could be minimal. It could be a 0.25% drop, 0.5% drop, something like that. Worst case scenario, like another COVID or something, and maybe it might come down into the low 5s or something. But I don't count on that. So the best time to do something's right now. You're better off just negotiating. If you have to finance, negotiate a rate buy down. And for those who are paying cash, of course, cash always rules, and it's good to be the king. So there's lots of opportunity out there for cash buyers as well to really get some deals. Okay. So check out all that information, a little more information about where people are migrating to and from, how many people are moving out of Nevada, where are they going? Where are the people coming from? They're moving to Nevada. Where are the most people coming from? You can probably guess, but it's right there in the email. All right, so Nancy sends her love, and we will talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your month. Enjoy May. Enjoy this beautiful weather. It's so beautiful out here, and we'll talk to you in a month. Okay, take care. Bye.